Christmas is all about.
Hey, how's it going? What's up? What's good? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Vlogmas title card using Pocket Photo. You press landscape and then you're going to add a video. I already pre-made my pictures that I wanted, so I'm going through my photos. So you add it, then you split the clip after you play it the way you wanted. So, you just take your time, split it however way you want it. And I'm keep messing with it to see if I want the best way of how I want to see it. So I kept playing it over. Don't mind my TikTok messages. And so now I'm going to add the text. So you press text and you add whatever one you want and you adjust it to whatever size you want. I just wrote Happy Vlogmas because it's the first year I'm doing Vlogmas. So I thought this would be a really cute intro kind of thing to do instead of a big video. So a title card I did. So then you change the font to whatever you want. You get to play the animation. So check to see that you like it. So now I went to the other half of what I wanted to do. And I'm adding my name, the name of my channel. So then I looked through to see the craziest, cutest one I could find. I resized it. And then I just wrote my name. And then I picked the font. Because I was really stuck on what I wanted to do for Vlogmas. So I just kept thinking over and over again what kind of title or intro I can do that's really cute yet functional for like where I'm at YouTube. So I thought of a title card. So that came out cute. I changed the colors a few times of it because I'm pretty sure I didn't stick with pink. Yeah, I did blue, I think. More messages from Snapchat. So now I'm playing the whole video over to see if I like it. And it's cute, so yeah. I'm now just making a small change to Vlogmas because I wanted it red to kind of match the holiday season. To give me a more holiday look, I guess, to be more precise. So now I'm adding that and seeing how it plays out. And it looks cute and I liked it, so I saved it. Next, I'm going to add the little subscribe title card to it. So that's already recorded and saved to my photos. And now it's added and that has its own audio. Sorry, I just had a hiccup. And so I'm playing over it again to see if I like it. And so I do, and so I write finish, and I don't want to add music to it because I have music already downloaded from YouTube Studio. So now I'm saving it, and here's the final look. So enjoy! Thanks for watching! Bye!
Guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.